Happy holidays, everyone. This recipe is how to make cranberry sauce. Full disclaimer at the beginning of this video, if you are under the age of 13, please click off now. I do not want you to be watching this video simply because you will be using a stove, and I do not want you getting burnt or hurt while cooking. Thank you. Okay, now to first start off, this is to make cranberry sauce. This is fresh cranberry sauce. What you'll need is a fresh bag of cranberries that you can get in your produce section of any grocery store. 2 boxes of either strawberry or cherry Jello, and 1 cup of sugar. Now follow the directions of your Jello, okay? Your 2 cups of hot water to dissolve the Jello mix and your sugar, and then follow with 2 cups of cold. So what I like to use is the hot water that I use to boil the cranberries. You're going to boil them for about 10 minutes. And how you'll know that they're done, they're going to sizzle and then they're going to pop. And that's how you know they're going to done, so about 10 minutes. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour that 2 cups of hot water in, and then along with 1 cup of sugar. Because you're going to want that extra sugary taste, I guess you could say, that little bit of sweetness, because you know how cranberries can be like a little bitter. But if you're diabetic, of course, you know you don't want to use that. And if you don't want to add sugar, please use any kind of Splenda or whatever kind of sweetener you want. So just stir until dissolved. And you know, just follow this recipe even if you're going to do more. So if you want to, you know, double this, just use 2 bags of cranberries, 4 boxes of Jello, 2 cups of sugar. You're good. I have 13 people coming, including myself, for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to be making another container of this, of course, because this is not going to do 13. This will do about half. All right, and now that I am pretty much dissolved, I am going to add in my 2 cups of cold. Now, with regular Jello, when you're making it, it says on the box, okay, 4 hours for it to be completely firm. Now, this is not going to take 4 hours to be completely firm into a Jello. This is going to take a heck of a lot longer. 1, because you're putting it into a bigger container. 2, because you're adding cranberries. So leave this in overnight. So if you're going to do this for Thanksgiving Day, do it the day before. Please excuse my cat. Stormy, hello. Yes, yes. You don't need this because you are a cat and you don't get to eat cranberries. So add that, completely dissolved. And then this is what your cranberries are going to look like. Excuse me. Yes, I love you, but you have to go down right now. Okay. This is what your cranberries are going to look like. Not that pretty, but who cares, because it all tastes awesome. So I don't know if you could see that. Kind of looks like sludge. So just put that in there. Stir it around a bit. Dunno. And this, literally, you cannot beat this. You can't. This is my grandma's recipe. My mom did it when I was a kid. It's handed down to me. Enjoy. Happy holidays.